Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Wake&Tech. Have you ever been the host of a Google Meet and after the meeting ends, people just keep hanging out in your meeting room? Well, today I'm going to show you the ultimate host power, how to end the Google Meet for everyone at once. First of all, open up your web browser on your computer and type in meet.google.com to end up in the Google Meet website. Make sure that you're signed in using your Google account's credential to get to this homepage. Now, in order to end the meeting for everyone, you must be the host of the meeting or have co-host permission for this to work. So in that case, I'm just going to start a new meeting myself. Click on New Meeting and click on Create an Instant Meeting so that we can join into a meeting right away. Now, once you're in a meeting, and you'd like to leave the meeting and end the meeting for everyone, simply go ahead and click on the red Leave Call button, which is located at the bottom center. Click on it, and this will just end the call for everyone. Just make sure that you are the host of the meeting or have at least a co-host permission. And with just a click of a button, the call will be ended for everyone, just like that. Everyone's out, and your meeting is officially closed. That's how you can easily end a Google Meet for everyone like a pro. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe and ring the bell so that you don't miss out more quick tech tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.